So here we have this triangle, and one side of the triangle is S, the other side is S plus 1, and the other side is S plus 2. And we want to simplify this. So we want to combine anything we can that's going to make this easier for us to do. So they went ahead and changed it. So looks like they've moved the parentheses. So they took parentheses around S plus 1 and moved them here around the S and S. So when we are moving parentheses around addition, which of these properties associates different parts of the problems together? So the associative property of addition, so they associated the S's instead of the S and 1. And we can do that. We've already proven that can equal the same thing. So now they're turning it in from here to here. So now we need to look and see, now what have they done? So the S plus S is the same. Here's S plus 2, and looks like they brought plus 1 to the other side. So which of these properties can move an addition problem? So the commutative property can change the order and still equal the same thing. So now they've taken and we've grouped the S and the S and the S's all together. So we're associating all of the S's together. So that's the associative property of addition. And so now they factored out this S. They pulled out the S. So what are we left with? Just 1. So remember, even though we can't see them, there are invisible ones here. This is 1S, 1S, 1S. So we pulled out that S. So which one of these pulls out the factor or distributes it out? So that one is the distributive property. Then we can add our like terms. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 groups of S, 3 times S, plus we have our 1 and 2 here, which are just numbers we can put together. So we have 3 times S plus 3 more will tell us the perimeter of this triangle. So this up here, this really long expression, can be simplified down to 3 S's plus 3. So if I'm doing a problem, this is going to be a lot simpler to do than having to do all of these steps. So this and this, they are the same, they're equivalent, but this is a simpler version of this expression.